Everybody wants to be successful in life, but achieving success is not easy. It requires hard work, dedication, and perseverance. But of all the habits and traits that contribute to success, there is one that I personally think is more important, and it is consistency. Imagine having all the keys to achieve the success you want in your life, but not applying any of them, day after day, is a totally waste of potential. Consistency means doing something over and over again, even when it's difficult to do. It requires commitment and discipline, and may not be the most exciting habit. It's absolutely essential for long-term success. Just take a look at some of the most successful people in the world, and you'll see that consistency is very common. They work hard, constantly take action to achieve their goals, and constantly push themselves to improve. But of course, staying consistent is easier said than done. It is very easy to get distracted, lose motivation, or give up when you're faced with the reality. Reality is tough, but you have to be able to see through the problems and understand that they are part of the process, and that this process will lead you to the goals that you have set for yourself. Yes, that goal of having a better physique, having more emotional control, or even develop your skills to be more competent at a professional level. So, how can we cultivate consistency as a habit? One key is to create a routine that supports our goals and helps us stay on track. This may mean setting aside specific times each day or week to work on our goals, or creating a checklist of habits or daily actions that will move us closer to the destination we stipulate. It's also important to establish accountability measures, like tracking our progress. This can help us stay motivated and on track, even when we feel discouraged or overwhelmed. And finally, it's important to celebrate the small successes along the way. This helps reinforce positive habits and creates a sense of momentum and progress, which can be motivating and empowering. There are many strategies for cultivating consistency as a habit, and what works best for you may depend on your personality, goals, and circumstances. Some people find it helpful to start small, with a few simple habits or actions that they can commit to doing every day. Others may benefit from setting bigger, more ambitious goals and breaking them down into smaller, more manageable tasks. So if you want to achieve success in your life, remember, consistency is the key. By committing to doing something regularly and consistently over time, you can create the habits and momentum you need to reach your goals and fulfill your dreams. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement.